We want to provide support and flexibility for our milking staff.
We're looking to ensure a better milking performance to be profitable in the future.
We're using modern technology in crop production, and now we have automated the entire milk harvest process. We were successful from the very start with GEA automated milking solutions. Cows are milked comfortably without any stress.
The consistent milking procedures have a positive influence on udder health and milk quality.
All milking processes occurring in the liner is only available from GEA.
The cows simply feel more comfortable and give more milk.
We wanted less exhausting and more relaxed working hours.
Our operators can now focus on other herd management tasks and take better care of our cows.
I have an attractive job in today's modern agricultural field.
I have an eye on everything and free access to the cows at any time.
My work is physically less exhausting.
We milk in 3 shifts, 7 days a week.
This automation precisely fits the needs of our operation.
A stall can be blocked individually if necessary so that milking can continue on schedule.
We're milking at the same throughput as a conventional rotary parlor. Every single cow is treated individually.
We are well supported by the entire GEA team.
They listen and respond to our individual needs.
An exchange of the service module is possible at any time.
If one module is failing, we can continue milking with all of the others.
Service is close and quick, which means more security for our operation.
Our cows are healthy and give more milk.
With the new system, we have consistent procedures and can organize our working schedules much better.
In the end, we save labor and improve our return on investment.